There are so many ways to go about building a successful digital product business online. However, there are a handful of mistakes that I see time and time again that stop entrepreneurs who would otherwise be successful in their tracks. So, hopefully, I'm going to save you the headache that some of these mistakes caused me by sharing these top 7 things that I see digital product sellers make and how you can avoid making the same mistakes. If you are new to the channel, I'm Bailey, a 7-figure Etsy seller and multiple business owner who now teaches other everything that's worked for me so that you can hopefully replicate it to see your own success. So number 1 is believing that the market is oversaturated. I hear this belief time and time again from coaching clients and even in my comment section here. While yes, Etsy is a competitive marketplace, it's not oversaturated to the point where new businesses can't take off. Here's the hard truth. Almost anything with lucrative opportunities like making a 6-figure income, being your own boss, or starting a creative career will be competitive. And it's not really hard to see why. After all, why do you want to make 6 figures with a digital product business? Is it to increase your current income or the ability to work from home or remotely anywhere in the world? Or maybe it is more time with your kids. Whatever your reason is, many other people share the same reasons. So take this community member of mine. She just started in July and was able to hit 100 sales in just 2 weeks. Or these members whose shop had only been open for 15 days and they woke up to their first sale. Or 200 sales with a 14% conversion rate. Or 146 sales in the last 30 days. And these are just a few of the amazing results many of the members in my communities are experiencing. The digital products world is competitive, but there is plenty of room for new emerging businesses. New trends are constantly popping up, which can give you an edge in launching your new digital product shop and gaining traction until you develop your customer base and audience. Number 2, not dedicating enough time. So building a digital products business is not like working for an employer. You're not guaranteed an hourly wage. If anything, you'll spend many hours and days working for free until your shop gains traction and you start seeing those amazing passive sales trickling in while you sleep. Fortunately, this scares away many people who don't want it to feel like they are wasting their time creating products to have no guaranteed income for it. But this is what is known as an employee mindset. As a digital products entrepreneur, you are the boss and you're in the driver's seat. And you can't look at things through the eyes of an employee or an hourly rate, or you'll never want to invest the time needed to build your business. I'm going to be real with you. You will have many unpaid hours of work at first. However, it will be worth it when months later you're waking up to sales and literally earning money in your sleep. You really just need to take a chance on yourself and believe that you can learn, that you can adapt and create a successful business. So number 3 is giving up too soon. I see so many people give up way too soon and lose out on massive opportunities that were just around the corner. This mistake is so hard to watch because I always want those around me to succeed, and seeing someone throw in the towel way too early is really heart-wrenching when you consider the massive opportunity for making thousands of dollars a month online. If you're not willing to stick around during the months when your shop isn't making much money, or even when you feel like you're moving way too slowly, you're not going to reach the months where your digital products are just selling on autopilot, bringing in those $5,000 to $8,000 to even $10,000 months. You can't measure a business's progress linearly. Often I see other shop owners not make much progress for months, and then their shop suddenly takes off when a product becomes a hot seller, changing the entire trajectory of their online shop. So just don't give up before this happens to you. Just stay consistent and keep uploading new products, even if it's only a few a week, A slow and steady pace is what does win the race. So number 4 is focusing on all social media. If you've watched my other videos, you've probably heard me recommend starting an email list and a social media platform to expand your digital product business. However, this shouldn't be your main priority at the beginning, especially when you're just starting out. I see way too many sellers trying to keep up with posting on 5 different platforms when it would be a much better use of their time to just launch new products and just post on one platform. Focus on the social media platform that best suits your product and target audience. But don't dedicate so much time to social media that it actually detracts you from creating no products. So this one might be hard to hear, but you don't have a goal or a why for your business. You could have the most impressive products, marketing, and business strategy, but if you don't have strong goals or a why behind your creating a digital products business, you will eventually burn out. If you don't set firm goals, you can't measure your success or learn from your failures, which leaves you in an endless cycle of just never improving, which is a very dangerous place for any business owner to be. Strong goals include listing a certain number of new products each week, researching 5 new products or niches, or completing relevant courses. Then consider your deeper why. What is driving you to create this business in the first place? Is it to explore an artistic passion of yours, or get out of a dead-end job, or free up time so you can spend it more with your kids? Your why needs to be highly specific, so avoid general statements like, I want to be rich. Instead, create a specific why, like, I want to make a 6-figure income with my digital product business so that I can leave my job, pay down my debt, take a vacation to the beach, and spend more time with my dog. Whatever your goal and why is, write it down and pin it to your bulletin board or somewhere that you'll see it regularly, and then think about it every single day. When you're feeling exhausted or discouraged, just remember your why and dig deep to keep going after it. Remember, the only thing separating those who fail and those who succeed is perseverance. Keep moving forward so that you can start hitting your business goals and reaching your why. And I would love to hear your why. So if you are still here, then let me know your why down in the comments. Number 6 is going it alone. They say it takes a village to raise a child, and the same is true for creating an online business. Starting a digital product business can be very lonely, especially when most people will not understand what you're even doing or why you would want to leave your 9-to-5 job. It's even tougher when you're dedicating extra long hours and not reaping the financial reward yet. Keeping your inner fire and passion for your online business is essential to keep yourself motivated, inspired, and going. So try to find other online business owners that you can talk to, whether that is a friend or joining a Facebook group, although I do recommend really researching the group first, as many of them can be very negative on Facebook. Find a community, hint, even a membership like the private community I've created for extra education, insight from other sellers, and the essential support that you will need inevitably to grow your business. Number 7 is overcomplicating your goals. There are only 24 hours in a day, and as much as I, as a busy mom and multiple business owner, wish that there were more hours in the day, that is just all that we have. I've seen way too many sellers get outrageous goals, whether they are complicated or far too many, think like over 50 goals at once, or are just overly ambitious. Just consider your life situation when making your goals and avoid overcomplicating them, as not meeting any of your goals is a surefire way to lose motivation. For example, if you are working a full-time job and you are a mom, you're probably not going to have 4 hours a day to work on your business. But you may be able to wake up an hour earlier or spend a few hours on the weekend working on your business. Stay realistic with your goal setting so it fits within your lifestyle. You'll most likely need to make some sacrifices, such as not sleeping in or watching your favorite TV show for a few months, but the rewards are so worth it. For more inspiration and insights on building a successful digital products business that'll help you reach your goals, watch my previous video here. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.